5 seconds. Start. The fourth Sushashan Sapath Good Governance Week is being observed from December 19 to 25, 2024. This year, the Prasashan Gaon Ki Or campaign continued to be an integral part of the Good Governance Week, reflecting on the ethos of Amritkal. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi had earlier remarked, "In this decade of Amritkal, we will give priority to next generation reforms. We will ensure that all facilities like service delivery reach citizens up to the last mile. It should reach the last person seamlessly without hesitation or any difficulty. For the overall development of the country, unnecessary interference by the government and government processes in the lives of the people has to be ended." The week-long initiative witnessed numerous impactful events and programs aimed at promoting transparency, efficiency, and citizen-centric governance. By integrating advanced technologies and innovative practices, the government reinforced its commitment to build a governance ecosystem that ensure inclusivity and last-mile delivery. The Good Governance Week successfully underscored the nation's ongoing strides towards a more empowered and connected society. The Prime Minister, in his historic third term, has laid down an ambitious and results-oriented agenda for good governance, which envisages each ministry and department to formulate initiative and ideas for implementation as part of Panchpran 5 resolutions announced in the Independence Day address of the Prime Minister on August 15, 2022. The Panchpran of Amritkal represent the vision of our nation's good governance principles and practices, the goal of a developed India to remove any trace of colonial mindset, take pride in our roots and unity and sense of duty among citizens. The Prime Minister asked the nation to focus attention on the Panchpran for the coming 25 years while empowering citizens and reaching the last mile as the priorities for Viksit Bharat 2047 when the nation celebrates 100 years of independence. An agenda of maximum governance, minimum government envisages a digitally empowered citizen and a digitally transformed institution. Bringing government and citizens closer using technology is important for ease of living and ease of doing business. Accordingly, the government seeks to effect qualitative improvements in the grievance redressal systems to make them more sensitive, accessible, and meaningful. A whole of government approach is to be adopted in formulating and implementing policies and schemes, and concerted steps are proposed to be taken for India to become the third largest economy in the world. This will necessitate upskilling, and the government has said suitable incentives will be provided for encouraging officers to take full advantage of the capacity building courses and modules available on the IGOT Karmayogi portal. Further governance model need periodic monitoring of quality assessments by developing effective metrics to foster a competitive spirit among state and district to encourage them to adopt reforms in different areas of governance, particularly in respect of statutory clearances and approvals. Another major areas of action is the development of comprehensive action plan for implementing the concept of women-led development. Social justice is at the heart of policy making, and the government has worked to provide equitable opportunities to everyone. The saturation approach of priority sector schemes has defined the goal of the government's all-round, all-pervasive and all-inclusive development model. The important priority sector schemes where the saturation approach has been adopted include the Har Ghar Jal Yojana, PM Awas Yojana, Mission Indradhanush, PM Ujjwala Yojana, PM Jan Arogya Yojana, PM Swanidhi, PM Matru Vandana Yojana, PM Vishwakarma Yojana, PM Mudra Yojana, PM Poshan Yojana and Kisan Credit Cards Scheme. The vision of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas has been the overarching national development goal. In October 2024, the Prime Minister unveiled the Karmayogi Competency Framework while asking civil servants to keep themselves abreast of the latest technological development so as to meet the rising standards. Mission Karmayogi envisions a future-ready civil service that needs to keep itself abreast of artificial intelligence and information processing, presentation challenges and opportunities. The goal is to create human resources that will become the driving force of our nation's development to help us achieve Viksit Bharat by 2047. The Government of India new paradigm in capacity building Mission Karmayogi seeks to improve efficiency in bureaucracy and develop a people-centric approach in governance rooted in Indian civilizational ethos. A special campaign represents the vision of Prime Minister Modi for institutionalizing Swachhata and reducing pendency in government, for changing old practices, weeding out old files and papers in government offices, better utilization of free space, improving sanitization protocols, and above all, adopting technologies. Special campaigns are implemented to focus on digitization, efficient management of office spaces, enhancement of office premises, environmentally friendly practices, inclusivity, sanitation protocols, and mechanisms for waste disposal. This effort for एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर in institutions of government has enabled a new way of thinking in the country that office space can be aesthetically beautiful, clutter-free and conducive to an enhanced work environment. Full stop.